Hi friends, in the last video I taught you how to purchase the NECO Result token. That means the token, the 12-digit number you need in order to check your NECO newly released exam. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your NECO 2021 result. But before we proceed, I want you to hit the subscribe button before leaving this page. Once you do that, you always get instant updates on all exams, be it JAM, WAEC, NECO, and what sorts of exams you'll be taking. And guess what? You're going to get mathematics videos that will truly help you even up to your university study. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, for you to check the NECO result, you must have 1. Registered into NECO portal, and 2. Purchase the token. Now once you have purchased the token, the 12-digit number, the next thing you need to do is to go straight to NECO's website, and once you click that website, it will bring you up to this page. Now you can see that NECO has actually released the SSCE-EXT 2021 result. It has been released, and if you search for these exams, you can be able to check your result now. So once you click that link, you're going to get yourself into this page. Now the first thing you need to do is to fill in your exam year, and for this lesson, for this result, the exam year is 2021. So you click 2021. Now you're going to be asked to fill in the exam type. The exam type is going to be SSCE External November December. Now the previous video I taught you how to check or generate your token and pay or remit online. You have done that. You're going to type that 12-digit token number here. Then you insert your registration number, the one that was given to you, and you click check what result. Now if you click this check result, you are going to see your result appear to what your result will appear to you. And once you have done that, wow, you are ready to see your result. You see your result displayed to you in such a way that you can also print it. So you see, it's very easy, and I'm sure you can do it yourself. So don't go to any business center asking anyone to check your result for you. Even on your phone, you can do that. Like this video, I want you to share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for updates and tutorial videos that will truly help you all through your academic career. I love to see you in our academic classes, and don't forget to check the description section of these videos for all links you need to get the best out of our website. New Track wishes you the best of results. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch subsequent of our videos.